Here in the Department of Medicine at Stanford University, we really believe strongly in the tripartite mission of academic medicine to deliver excellent clinical care, to do innovative and impactful research, and to educate the next generation of leaders.
Our goal is to foster interdisciplinary projects with the other schools, with law, education, arts and sciences, business, with a view to not just publishing papers or writing books, but to moving the bar in the living laboratory of the hospitals and the clinics. I came to Stanford about a dozen years ago. I'm an infectious disease person by training, and I have spent my career in many different medical schools, but I must say it's been the great joy of my life to end up at Stanford. I'm very interested in bedside medicine, very interested in wedding the technology that we have so readily available with the human connection, and that is sometimes a profound challenge.
During my career in medicine, I've had really 4 roles that I devote my time to. The first is as a clinical cardiologist, largely working in the area of acute care cardiology. The second is as a clinical researcher, doing clinical trials, health outcomes research, health services research. The third role is as an educator and teacher. And the fourth role, in a more recent role as I became the chair of medicine, is as an administrator in medicine.
What attracted me to Stanford more than anything else, I suspect, is the fact that on one campus we have all these other schools. And I found over the years myself engaging in projects with many more of these schools than I would have ever dreamed of. And I think that's really quite unique about us. The schools are not across the freeway, not across the state, but right here, walking distance.
There is a spirit on campus of really multidisciplinary problem solving. And Silicon Valley, to me, has really shown itself to be the ultimate meritocracy of ideas. Nobody in Silicon Valley cares where you came from, how old you are, what language you speak. What they care about is the quality of your ideas, and can those ideas be applied to solve a problem that needs solving. And I think it's one of the real key features of Stanford, a key feature of the Department of Medicine, and really one of the key reasons why I came here and continue to totally enjoy my time here. We want people to come to Stanford who want to be leaders in their area, whether it's in clinical medicine or in science. To me, the key reason for a fellow or prospective fellow, a prospective resident to come to Stanford is to really be part of the Stanford community. We are the unusual academic health system that actually has 2 hospitals, an adult hospital and a pediatric hospital, on the same campus as 7 schools. And it really is an incredible opportunity to interact not just in the clinical domain, but with colleagues from across campus.
I like to think that from the chair down, from the division chiefs down, there is an ethos of really being attentive to the bedside, to the patient's story, and that sort of transcends almost everything else. Yes, cutting edge basic science, but if that doesn't also happen with true caring, then I think we've failed. And I like to think that the ethos of this medical center of Stanford is very much that of caring. Peabody said 100 years ago that the secret of the care of the patient is in caring for the patient. I like to think that we try to embody that principle as best we can.
The preceding program is copyrighted by the Board of Trustees of the Leland Stanford Junior University. Please visit us at med.stanford.edu.